Welcome back again to another video. It is another beautiful day to thank God. One Africa, one love, one nation. It is your African boy bringing you African success stories. And if you like our content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Adey Abeba Stadium, formerly known as Addis Ababa National Stadium, represents a transformative project in Ethiopia's sporting landscape, originally conceived via an international design competition in 2012. The stadium's iconic architecture pays homage to the yellow Adey Abeba flower, Ethiopia's national blossom, symbolizing rebirth and aspiration. Designed by MH Engineering PLC in collaboration with the international firm Idea Image Institute of Architects, the stadium forms part of a larger sport village featuring football, athletics, basketball, volleyball, and aquatic facilities. Construction officially began on January 5, 2016, near Bo, adjacent to Addis Ababa Bo International Airport, atop of 67-hectare site previously home to informal settlements. The plan aims to accommodate up to 62,000 spectators in a FIFA and CAF compliant oval arena, with full provision for track and field events measuring 105 to 68 meters, roof coverage and high-tech installation across 37 hectares of the main stadium, out of a total of 60-hectare campus, reflects its ambition to serve as Ethiopia's premier venue for global events. In Phase 1, local and Chinese engineer led by CSCEC built the core structure, initially funded with 2.47 billion BAL, equivalent to 94 million US dollar, sourced entirely from Ethiopia's federal government. Reportedly, by 2017, the stadium cover collapsed in a fire accident that killed 7 workers. Compensation and safety criticism followed. Despite these challenges, the stadium reached 58% completion by late 2017. Progress slowed significantly due to Phase 2 funding issues, currency shortage, COVID-19, and political instability. Furthermore, the Chinese contractor requested exorbitant price adjustment from 5.57 billion to 17 billion BAL, prompting contractor termination in early 2023. In spring 2024, international financing, largely from the UAE, reanimated a fresh tender awarded to China Communication Construction Company. That same year, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed and CAF President Patrice Motsepe reaffirmed commitment to its completion. In March 2025, Ethiopia signed a new 137 million, equivalent to 18.6 billion BAL, contract with CCCC for Phase 2, Lots 2 and 3, explicitly aiming for CAF and FIFA compliance. The contract promises premium spectators amenities of 1,200 toilets, 800 hand washing stations, a full roofing canopy, and advanced field surfaces and cutting-edge broadcast tech. The revised completion target is within 2 years from 2025 to 2027. Once finalized, the stadium envisions global roles. It will serve as a home ground for Ethiopia national football team, currently playing at the aging Addis Abeba Stadium. It is also integral to Ethiopia's bid to host 2029 Africa Cup of Nations and possibly the African Nations Championships, further positioning Addis Ababa as a future hub of continental football and athletics. Overall, Adey Abeba Stadium encapsulates Ethiopia's aspiration, a modern multi-sport complex designed to uplift local athletics, host landmarks international events, and symbolize national renewal. While its journey, marred by delays, funding issues, safety incidents, and global disruptions, has been complex, the renewed international backing and government resolves are clear. If delivered as envisioned, the stadium will mark a monumental leap in Ethiopia sporting infrastructure and legacy. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let's meet in other videos. God bless you.